Meaning of drunk tank.
Drunk tank.
Drunk tank.
Drunk tank.
Drunk tank. The term drunk tank refers to a holding cell or temporary detention facility used by law enforcement for individuals who are intoxicated in public places. These facilities are often found in urban areas and are typically staffed by police or medical personnel. The purpose of these tanks is to keep the intoxicated individuals safe and prevent them from causing harm to themselves or others. While some may view these cells as a form of punishment, their primary function is to provide a safe space for intoxicated individuals until they are sober enough to be released back into the community.